How to change your life in 30 days. Change is uncomfortable, but so very necessary. To maximize the 30-day period for significant life changes, there are some principles that, when applied, can greatly improve your chances of sticking to your new lifestyle. Think of them more as tips and habits to implement to experience true change in just under 30 days. And remember, each tip doesn't operate singularly. The more of these principles you can apply at once, the better your chances of long-term success. Define your intentions, things you want to change in your life. The first step to changing your life in 30 days is to get clear on what you want to achieve. Start by writing down all the things you want to change in your life or improve upon within this time frame. You can make the list holistic or zero in on a part of your life you are concerned about. It could be your relationship, finances, eating habits, physical fitness, or general self-care. After you have chosen the desired part of your life to address, clarify what the aim is with this area. Do you want to be more frugal with finances? Do you want to improve your mental health? Or do you want to amp up your skincare game? The answer to this possible question based on your chosen aspect serves as the purpose of the entire exercise, and every step taken will be towards ensuring this purpose is fulfilled.